Home Zone 68-inch post solar light. Let's open up the box, show you what you get inside. Everything is packed in a nice small box, 68-inch post solar lantern that you place indoor, outdoors, anywhere that you want to have light, as long as you collect sun 365. This is the light lantern, nicely protected, cardboard inside. We have a number of poles. They are aluminum. The instruction guide in paper. And a box of parts. Inside the box is the top cover protected in plastic. Your stake to the ground, made of plastic. Metal stake poles, couplers, light bulb cover, anchors. This is your top solar array panel 4 with the removable tab and the COB6 lights with the on and off switch and a locking mechanism. You have the bulb cover, the couplers, the stakes, the bottom stake. You have a plastic lantern top. You have your bottom post area, and you have your metal post poles. And we have some anchors. 2 posts are threaded on each end. 2 posts are threaded at one end. So we're going to take a post, a coupler. We're going to screw on. We're going to then take the next post and screw down. As we feel the bottom, this is the flat one. It simply slides in and locks into place over here. And then we're going to take the next post and the coupler. And we're going to screw down the last post and coupler. And making sure that the flush end is the last one on top. I stand 6 feet tall, as you see. We take the top post to the lantern, and inside it has a mirror type bottom that will shine all around. And then we take the bulb and we just simply place on. And it has a number of switches, 2 switches. And we're going to keep in the off stage because we want to collect sun all day and lock in. Now we're all set up just like that. I stand again 6 feet tall. You need to either stake it to the ground with the post that they give you, drill it to a board, floor, wherever, or stake it to a soft ground grass area. We pulled the top off and we're pulling out the plastic tab that is forced in there, making sure that the door stays closed. And we got a number of switches. If we turn the switches and cover, the light lights up. If we hit it one more time, it's bright. So we place on. We're going to place outside and wait for the nighttime. In this demonstrations, we're placing in our garden. We're going to find a spot in the sun. Simply take a stake, place into the hole, and secure down. Your pole lantern, 68-inch tall, aluminum pole, plastic housing, and topped with 4 solar arrays, and a battery installed for low and high power. We are set for low power for the evening for the longest run time, 6 to 8 to 12 hours of charging depending on the sun and light, and run time for over 8 through 12 plus hours in the low light dusk to dawn. This is your dusk to dawn solar light. In the evening hours, we'll show you what the light looks like. Dusk is about hitting, and the pole street, it is dusk. and the lantern will light up in a few minutes. As it gets dark, it starts to fade on. It brightens up to the maximum of mode 1. We can switch over after mode 1 to mode 2 for the full brightness level. This is your pole lantern. We'll give you a close-up look at the light. Pole lantern light, plastic, bulb, 6 COBs. Looking from the bottom up, close up and pulling out the pole lantern. Changing the LED light is taking the top, lifting off. Off is to the left and on is to the brighter level. And placing back on. Your pole lantern in 2 levels of lighting. I hope you enjoy your pole lantern. Check online for further details about the models they offer in lighting. This is 68 inches. It has a base, the mount, poles, and lantern. Can be put into the ground, staked in, mounted anywhere imaginable. Enjoy your light, the pole lantern, and thank you for viewing.